शिव भक्ति लेने रंग के जीवन, मेरे मन वेरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगा हो लगा, मैंने शिव से लगा लगा, मेरे मन वीरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगाया, मेरे मन वीरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगाया, ओ लगा, मेरे शिव से लगाया, जब बोले तारा प्रेम से सुधा, ओ जब बोले तारा प्रेम से सुधा, गाओ हर पल में शिव की भक्ति, मेरे मन मेरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगाया, तोरे जग की छोटी शिव भक्ति रंग के जीव, मेरी शिव ही है, कर दिया खुद को शिव के अर्पण, शिव है मेरा धर्म, शिव है मेरा धर्म, शिव है मेरा धर्म, शिव है मेरा धर्म, साक्षी है मेरे मन मेरा तारा, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारा, मैंने शिव से लगाया, ओ लगा, मैंने शिव से लगाया, मैं शिव मेरी माँ, मेरी शिव है अंतर्या, मैं मुहस्वा, मेरी शिव अंतर्या, ये जीवन में कंचन का, जब है मेरी शिव की माया, शिव है मेरे साथ जिन्हीं यार, शिव मेरे साथ जिन्हीं यार, गाँव पर मैं शिव की भजन, मेरे मन वीरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगाया, मेरे मन मेरा की तारे, हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे, मैंने शिव से लगाया, ओ लगा, मैंने शिव से लगाया, ओ लगा, मेरे शिव से लगाया। प्रेम से बोलो उमापति महादेव की जय, आदि शक्ति देवी माता की जय, प्रेम से बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। Sit down, everybody. Beautiful. Indeed, again, on behalf of members of this wonderful mandir, I extend a Shubh Swagatam to each and every one of you to this evening's devotion, this evening monthly satsang that has been held, as is customary, at this wonderful mandir. My friends, again, it's a pleasure indeed to be here, to join in devotion. It's been a while. About how long, so? Because we are trying to check how long. Hoggy was saying 3 years, but 3 years probably for her, not me. 2.5? Well, you were close. Serious? My. You don't think it's so long? Okay. So it's a pleasure to be here. Tonight, as requested, a wonderful katha of Shiv Shankar Bhagwan, as we would have just come out of that most auspicious period of the Shivratri and celebrated that night dedicated to Shankar Bhagwan. Wonderful katha of Shivji. And my friends, this evening, as we're about to begin, I apologize for being late. The road is crazy. Traffic is a lot. So my apologies. And this evening, I humbly ask that we all clasp our hands, close our eyes, and bow our heads as we join in opening Pratna. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Sri Saraswate Namo Namah Sri Charan Kamalabhyo Namo Namah Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Gajanana Bhutaganadi Sevitam Kapita Jambhupalacha Umas Shoka Vinashikarak Namah Sarvamangalamangala Shive Sarva Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayane Namaste Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave. Everyone. Hara 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 Mahadev. Hara 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 Mahadev. Bolo. Hara 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 Mahadev. Hara Hara Mahadev. श्री गोचरण रोचरण निज मुकुर सुधार सुमीरा कुमार बल बुध दे हर सबिकार सियापति राम चंद्र जी की जय। नारायण नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवी सरस्वती व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। वन्दे देवामापतिं सुरगुरु वन्दे जगत्कारणं वन्दे पावनभूषणं विग्रहं वन्दे पशुनापतिं वन्दे सूर्यशृङ्गवाहिनीनयनं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियं वन्दे भक्तजनाशं च वन्दे शिवं शङ्करं। प्रेम से बोलो महापति महादेव की जय। Wonderful katha from Shiv Mahapuran this evening. And a katha that teaches sometimes we look down at people. Sometimes we speak and we look at others and consider others as low and inferior and imperfect. Probably sometimes because of the life they live. But this evening, Shankar Bhagavan is going to show us how merciful he is. We as human beings will condemn and criticize each other. But tonight God teaches us how to love. Tonight God is going to teach us how even the worst of individuals attains his feet through the medium of Shiv Puran. Beautifully this evening. Wonderful katha. Tonight, my friends, we learn about compassion. We will learn about when we choose certain paths. You see, depending on the atmosphere you're in, the path that you would have chosen, that is how you'll behave. Tonight, we have chosen satsang. And we have not chosen anything else but satsang. You know what blessing that is? Tonight's Katha will teach us about that as well. Before we begin, let's join together in this very beautiful bhajan to set our minds in a frame to listen to wonderful Katha. Shiv Ji. Tonight, my friend, if we didn't pray for Shivratri, let's pray tonight. If somewhere during the course of that night of Shivratri, somewhere during that period, we would have committed some sin, some wrong, tonight, let us submit ourselves to the feet of Shankar Bhagwan and seek his forgiveness. Even if that night, during that course of that night, the duration of that night, some bad thought would have come in our minds, or we would have become angry for some reason, or we would have slept away for some reason, tonight, let us surrender to the feet of Shankar Bhagwan. Pray tonight, whatever your mind's desires might be, ask of that Lord to fulfill such this evening.
दीन बंधु भगवान उमापति भगवान शिव जी देहु मोहि बरदान। दीन बंधु भगवान उमापति भगवान शिव जी देहु मोहि बरदान। शिव जी देहु मोहि बरदान। हृदय चले मुंडमा हृदय चले मुंडमा हृदय चले मुंडमाला हृदय चले मुंडमाला जताओ और जा शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। और कपूर लियो आरती और दीजे शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। लाज हमारी भवन हारे लाज हमारी शरण तिहारे। लाज हमारी शरण तिहारे लाज हमारी शरण तिहारे। हे गिरिराज शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। शिव देहु मोहि बरदान। उमापति हे त्रिपुरारी उमापति त्रिपुरारी। उमापति हे त्रिपुरारी उमापति त्रिपुरारी। हे प्रभु हे प्रभु हे प्रभु कृपा निधान। शिव देह मोहि बरदान। ओ शिव देह मोहि बरदान। दीन बंधु भगवान उमापति भगवान। ओ शिव देह मोहि बरदान। शिव देह मोहि बरदान। दीन बंधु भगवान उमापति भगवान। शिव देह मोहि बरदान। शिव देव मोहि बरदान। शिव देव प्रिंस उमा महादेव की जय। भगवान शिव की महिमा सुनकर एक बार ऋषियों ने सुत जी से कहा कि हे सुत, आपके अंतर्यामी यानी और आशुतोष के भगवान शंकर की महिमा सुनकर तो हम परम आनंदित हुए। हम कोई शिव जी से संबंधित के उत्तम व्रत की कथा विस्तार पूर्वक कहिए। तब सुत जी ने कहा, हे ऋषिगण, सावधान होकर आप लोगों सुनिए। मैं यहाँ एक ऐसे प्राचीन कथा कह रहा हूँ जो किसी समय नारद जी से भगवान विष्णु ने कहा थी। वहां एक निषाद के ऐसे अद्भुत कथा से जो प्राणियों के समस्त पापों को नाश करने वाली है, साथ ही जो उत्तम शिवरात्रि के विधान हो, यहाँ दृष्टांत रूप में सुनिए। नारायणाय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। नारायणाय कृष्णाय परमात्माय नमो नमः। प्राचीन काल में एक गुरुद्रोह नामक एक भील के निषाद था जो व्याघ्र कर्म किया करता था। वहां भील के महाक्रूर एवं बलवान भी था। वहां प्रतिदिन वन को जाकर मृगों का शिकार करता था। My friends, Garan Banks of Naimisharanya, the sadhus, they have asked from Sutji Maharaj, please narrate that katha that is so dear to our air and to our hearts, the katha of Shankar Bhagwan. Sutji Maharaj says, I want you to listen. For the katha that I'm about to relate to you is so purifying. And this katha is very dear to even Bhagwan Vishnu. He says, it is so beautiful to see that you have that desire, that thirst to listen to the glories of Shankar Bhagwan. He says, and I am even more happy to narrate to you. You see, when you have someone who really and genuinely wants to learn or wants to know something, or you have an audience who's actually captivated and they're attentive, then you yourself will show that interest and you will give off your best to impart your knowledge to them. But if you have an audience or a class of students who are not so interested, they don't give a damn, then the teacher themselves eventually become frustrated at some point. So here he says that I'm seeing your interest and your love for Shankar Bhagwan, and so having that enthusiasm, I too will now relate to you that wonderful katha. I'm now motivated to be such. He says, ek baar once, there was this individual by the name of Guru Droha. And he was a hunter. He was a hunter, let us say by profession. He lived in the forest. You know, one of the drummers in our group, Chetram, you know him. He would always give this example and he would say, you think all them people living in the forest, they're vegetarians? Some of them living and they're hunting and some of them fishing and everything. So you think when God come to them, what do you give to God? Whatever they had, they will give offer to God. This is what he used to say. But what the secret is there is the sincerity of the offering. It might not be sattvic, but it's the sincerity, the love in which it's offered. So much so that when Bharat was coming to meet Ram in the forest in Ramayana, the hunters and the nishadas, what did they do? They went with 2 baskets full of things. One had fruits and the other one had meat and fish. That is what they had to offer. I'm not saying to offer that. I'm just saying that is what they had, time, place, and circumstance. You see, we make trouble for everything. We make fuss out for everything. If we do not have Batasa on Shivratri night, well, we can't offer. If we don't have cane, if we don't have dai, well, we can't complete the offering. Whatever you have, however little you have, make that do. It's simple. This evening he was a hunter. But it says here, वह प्रतिदिन वन में जाकर मृगों का शिकार करता था और अपने परिवार का पालन पोषण ब्यार वृतांत द्वार किया करता था. This is how he will take care of his family. He will hunt and he will sell, and he will hunt, and the catch he will get for the day, that meat, his family will partake of. This is how he sustained them. साथ ही घोर बनों को छिपकर चोर डाकू का काम भी करता था. His actions were impure. किसी समय देवयोग में सुंदर महाशिवरात्रि तिथि आ गई. And one Shivratri night or day, something happened in his home. परंतु इस मूर्ख दुरात्मा को क्या पता था? But look at this. He was, you see, some people say, when luck on your side, you're lucky. You're fortunate. On this Shivratri night, as imperfect as he was, he's about to be blessed by Lord Shivji. He's about to get the grace of Lord Shankar Bhagwan. Says, वह अपने कुकर्म means not so righteous actions में व्यस्त उन घोर जंगल में मस्त रहा. तब उसी शिवरात्रि वाले दिन उसके माता पिता एवं स्त्री ने भूखा से तड़पते हुए उसने कहा. His mother, his father, his wife and his children that day, they were very hungry. There was nothing in the house to eat, and they said to their child, they said to him, "Arey Banjar, hame bhojan do, please get some food for us to eat." Look at what the mother, father, his children and his wife, they are saying to him. They are very hungry. There is nothing in the house. Please, it is your duty to get this. It is your duty to ensure our desires are fulfilled. Would you please get us some food? आज तो घर में कुछ भी आहार नहीं है. His wife is saying the house has nothing left to cook. बार बार इस प्रकार प्रार्थना करने पर वहां व्यार धनुष बांध लेकर शीघ्र ही वन में मृगादि पशु के पक्षियों के शिकार के लिए निकाल पड़ा. And so he gathered his bow, his arrow and everything, and he is going with the hope that he will get or fetch some animal. He will hunt and he will fetch some bird or some animal. चारों ओर वन में घूमने पर वहां उसे दुर्भाग्यवश कोई शिकार हाथ I gotta find back where I was. शिकार हाथ न लगा. That whole day he waited and he hunted, but he couldn't find anything. So his family at home, they remained hungry that whole day. इसी प्रतीक्षा में संध्या की चली. See, sometimes we are put through tests. God tests us sometimes to see how we will cope with it, to see whether we are really and truly a strong devotee or we are just somebody who has, mouth. Right, my friends? Do you know? When this katha, I went and washed my car this evening about 3 o'clock, and I didn't know what to read, and I started, while I was waiting, I started to look at this katha. Do you know, I'll come to this point later on, but as I'm talking about this, do you know one of the sins of Shivratri Day. You know what is one of the sins and the wrong things we do on Shivratri Day? From sunrise that morning, and I made the mistake and I committed that sin on Shivratri Day, is eating food. We are supposed to abstain from food, not only salt food, food in a whole. And if we can sustain ourselves on water, tonight we will see where the day in this Katha will speak such. So those of us who would have abstained and kept away from food on Shivratri Day, the whole day, and better yet the night, blessed indeed are you. You did. Oh, but you had something. What you had? Nothing. Not even Parasad, sir. I don't fear you get all our blessings, man. Yeah. See? And this is why I'm not ashamed. Well, all you see me, I can't keep up. I mean, I could try and make the sacrifice, but even I did not understand. You know, some people think the fasting starts 6 to 6. We did. You see, the more we read, the more we learn, and the more we attend satsang, is the more we will learn. As opposed to attending other functions on Carnival weekend. The only reason I'm saying this is not because my cousin, you know, she don't want to go anywhere, you know. Look at how nice and pretty she dressed up. Long time earlier, see, she does how she dressed up. So she was comparing herself to the Davy there. Look at them now. Watch how she looking. Me talking about she wanted to be here. It's Avinash. Avinash, when I finished early, he wanted to go home and sit down in his sofa and pop popcorn and watch who losing in CSM. My friends. But that whole day he did not eat, and that is his first sacrifice. Unknowingly, he did not eat that whole day. And look at this too, Mama. His family home, they dying out of hunger and thirst too. And they probably well thinking bad about this man in here bringing the food. But this time they do not know that they're doing themselves a good. My friends, this is wonderfully here. Evening time came. जब सूर्यास्त होने लगा, when the sun has set, तब वहां बड़ा दुखी एवं चिंतित हो गया. He becomes a little bit worried. वहां मन में सोचने लगा, he begins to think, "Hey, आज मुझे कुछ भी शिकार ना मिला, today I haven't hunted and gotten anything. अब कहां जाऊं? How do I go home? क्या करूं? What do I do? कुछ ना कुछ मुझे साथ में शिकार लेकर वहां जाना चाहिए." I didn't look at what he thinks, sir. I didn't even see anybody coming with a good hunter. Could I beat them up and take it too? नहीं तो मेरा जीना के व्यर्थ है. ऐसा सोच विचार कर वहां ब्यार किसी जलाशय के तट पर गया और वहां बैठ गया. You know what he did? He says, I will not leave here because my family home and they're hungry. So it's night time. So he took a jar and he filled some water. And as he filled this water, he decides to stay that night on top of a tree and await some animal to come. And there he was on top of this tree. वहां अपने मन में सोचने लगा, हो जल पीने के लिए यहाँ अवश्य कोई ना कोई जीव जंतु आएगा. Something must come. Something. You know, this reminds me of my father. On a Sunday long time, he used to work taxi in the road, just to ensure that he make ends meet at home. And he says sometimes he'll be there at the taxi stand for hours, praying. He will see a maxi dropping out a passenger. This is the expectation of this hunter. He was praying and hoping that some animal will pass by so that he can have it. तब उसे मारकर अपने घर ले जाओ. I'll kill it and I'll take it home. और प्रेम पूर्वक अपने कार्य के सफल कहूंगा. And everybody at home will be at ease. ऐसा विचार कर वहां भेल किसी एक बिलवा के वृक्ष. What is that वृक्ष? Somebody just say it. Oh, I didn't hear correctly. A वृक्ष is tree. A tree. And Bilwa is the bale tree. So he decides to climb up on the bale tree. No, the bale tree has pika. But you see, sometimes when we have certain desires and when we are so desperate, we will do whatever it takes to realize our dream. Whatever it takes. And this is something good and it's something bad. Good in the sense, yes, we must have this sort of conviction and we must be, focused and steadfast and be willing to undertake what we have to ensure that whatever we have, we attain it through the righteous means. But if, tell me now, one has to be very foolish to make such sacrifices for something that is irrelevant. But look at this, what he's doing here. He goes on top of this bale tree and, this is like, well, I always use me as an example again. When I was a little younger, well, I was still fat. But those were the days when I could run. I can't run now. But when you're running in the garden or wherever, you're bare feet. And when you're running, you could run through 10 pick a patch and nothing ain't gonna choke you, you ain't gonna feel it. But if you're walking and you take your time and walk, you pick a go choke you. All have experienced that? You know. Yeah. So you see, his mind is not focused on the picker. No. Well, yeah, the picker. If we were to take our time and walk, our minds are focused on that harm that is in front of us, right? But if our mind is not focused on that, but our mind is focused on our goal, nothing here matters. And this is how we must be sometimes too in our life. Focus on the goal that we have. Yet still, in order to achieve the goal, there are certain things that has to be done. So we have to be careful of the things that we do and, to achieve such. He's on top of this bale tree. And now, my friends, as he's on top of there, you see down in the end there's trouble, eh? I hear him from here. He's seated on top of this bale tree. But जल लेकर जा बैठा और प्रतीक्षा करने लगा. But you see, again, look at what the line says. Bhagwan says, प्रतीक्षा करने लगा. God tests us again. He says. So sometimes we might be here, and our goal might be in New York. God is testing us. He wants, or Texas or somewhere. God is testing us. That pariksha. He puts us through that test for a reason. He wants to see how much we can endure. God will test us, see when we will break. Don't. And you know what? He never gave up. He never gave up. No matter what, this hunter did not give up. देखिए, कब कोई झंटू जल पीने के लिए आता है और कब मैं उसे मारकर कृतार्थ होता हूँ. He's thinking, when will something come by this lake to drink water so I can shoot it, kill it then. इस विचार कर से वहां भूख प्यास से पीड़ित होता हुआ भी वहां एक डाल पर चिप कर बैठ गया. It's 10:09. I mean, reach quarter way yet. We'll have to finish this some other time. So he's on top of the tree. He's praying, and you know what? He's praying to God. He's praying to God that some animal will come there. And whilst doing such, he forgot about his own hunger and his own thirst. He forgets about it. उसी रात में प्रथम प्रहर में एक मृगी आ पहुंचे. And now it was Shivratri night, the night of Shivratri. And it was just in the first prayer, the first 3 hours. And a female there comes. She comes to drink water. वह अत्यंत तृषित एवं चकित थी क्योंकि वह चलांगी भरती हुए अकेली ही आ रही. This day comes very sad and she comes alone to drink. विष्णु जी कहते हैं, लॉर्ड विष्णु भगवान is explaining the same kata to नारद मुनि. हे नारद, उसे आता देखा, when the hunter saw this deer, वहां ब्यार बड़ा प्रसन्न हुआ, अतः उसे मारने के लिए उसने अपने धनुष पर तीर चढ़ाया. And this poor deer, he comes to drink water in this lake, and this hunter is seeing this deer, innocent deer. Oh God. Sometimes we just get ourselves in innocent trouble for nothing, eh? Oh. Sometimes good, we going about our business. Like today, good. I making the roundabout by Piaco there, and somebody come to my side. Good, I reversing out of her by her, and I almost go down the drain. But here is trouble comes so easily. This is why we always have to keep praying. We never know when it can come and how it can come, in what form and what fashion. My friends, this poor dear, she leaves her children and family at home, and she comes to drink water this night. And this hunter fits in this arrow in his bow, and he's about to shoot this deer. Oh, people just shoot me for nothing too. Eh? One time we just get shoot up for nothing. Oh my. The deer comes and he's drinking water. He fits his arrow in this bow, and he's about to shoot him. अब उसे वहां मारना ही चाहता था कि इस बीच में संजोग वश उसके पात्र का जल तथा कुछ बिलवा के पत्र नीचे का आ गिरे. And when he moved his hand and he shook, he had a jar with water. Some water fell. And when he was fitting that arrow in that bow, the branches moved and the bay leaves started to. Oh, can you visualize this? The leaves, they are just floating down, and it falls. But where did it fall? Beautifully we listen this evening. Prem se bolo Mahapati Mahadev ki jai. भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और. You know, Shivratri night I had a whole library of songs to do, but I was keeping certain songs for certain mandirs. So when I reached at a particular mandir, the songs that I had planned to do, I couldn't do it at that mandir because the PA system had already racked up. But nevertheless, I will do a couple of those this evening. भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं. भोलेनाथ से निराला, गौरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं. उस समय जल गिरने एवं पत्तियों के खरखराने की आवाज सुनकर वहां हिरनी भय से चकित हो गई. बियर को पैर पर देखकर घबरा सो गए और उससे पूछने लगे, हे ब्यार, तुम यहाँ क्या करना चाहते हो? सो मुझे से सही कहो. तब हिरनी के बात सुनकर ब्यार कहने लगे, मेरा परिवार भूख से तड़पा रहा है, इसलिए तुझे मारकर उन्होंने संतुष्ट करूंगा. उसके ऐसे कठोर वचन सुनकर तथा भयंकर प्यार को देखकर मृगिनी सोचने लगे ऐसा को डमरू के वाले, ऐसा को डमरू के कोई भोलेनाथ से निराला, गोरीनाथ से निराला कोई और नहीं, ओ कोई और नहीं, कोई और नहीं, कोई और नहीं. You know, sometimes we might think we have this one and we have that one and that one loves us and this one loves us and we love this one and we love that one. Koi aur nahi. Nobody loves us as much as God loves us. And we really and truly have nobody in this world except God. Always remember that. It says this evening, when this little deer, this mother deer was drinking, and she heard this commotion up on the tree, she looks up and she becomes scared. And she asks, "Oh hunter, what are you doing there? Tell me." And he says, "My family is at home and they're very hungry, so I want to kill you. I'm hunting and I want to take your life." मेरा परिवार भूख से तड़पता रहा, they are very hungry. उसके ऐसे कठोर वचन सुनकर तथा भयंकर प्यार को देखकर मृगी सोचने लगी, well, when the deer heard this, uncle, the deer could do one of the two things: run, allow him to be caught, herself to be caught, or talk her way out of it. And the deer started to do like my cousin here. She started to talk her way out of the situation. There are some people when they can talk, they can really talk. Yeah? Coming up in the car, we were having a conversation, and some topic came up, and I started to stammer and talk. So she assumed I was lying. But sometimes when you're put in certain situation, you get scared and you start to stammer. Like the other night, we were going to drop this drama home in Malik, and it had big roadblock, and the police stopped us. Well, them fellas and them say that I talked to the policeman like I was what? Crying? Yeah, so me, I can't run, I can't talk myself out of the situation, so I will just bribe myself out of the situation. So this is what she decides to do. And you know, you know what she says? This is what she says. She says, प्राण बचने को कोई उपाय करना चाहिए। ऐसा सोच विचार कर वह मृगी वह उस ब्यार से कहने लगे कि ब्यार, यदि मेरे इस शरीर के मांस में तुझे सुख प्राप्त, if it means having my meat, having to kill me and allowing me to be eaten by your family will make them happy, I have no problem. But मैं निःसंदेह धन्य हूँ. I promise you, I will allow you to do that. But जो किसी के उपकार का सावधान बनूंगी, क्योंकि इस संसार में परोपकार के बढ़कर कोई दूसरा धर्म नहीं है. Because in Hinduism it is said, helping a friend who is in need is a great blessing. So I will help you. She says, but I have a problem. At home is my children and my husband and my sister. Daddy, they're talking, eh? And I have left them there and I have come to drink of this water. I must return first to ensure that they are well. And then when I know that they are okay and I entrust them in the care of everybody else, I will come back and I will allow you to kill me. I promise you. I promise you. तथापि वे बंचर के मेरे एक प्रार्थना सुन ले. मैं स्थान में बहुत से मृग छावने के मेरे स्थान में home by me बहुत से मृग छावने के. There's so many little children I have. All of them are home. What do you call a baby there? You know? or those, well, more than one. Though, all my children, they are home. He says, जो अभी बच्चे हैं, do you have a child? Look at, you see, sometimes when we're talking to people, you have to play with their emotions a little bit too. You know that good. Do you have a child by chance? This is what the deer is asking this hunter. उन्होंने मैं अपने बहन को सौंप कर अवश्य मैं जाऊंगा. Let me go home and put my children in the care of my sister and my husband, and then I will come back and you can take me. मेरा वचन तुम मिथ्या मत समझो. Do not believe I am lying. I am telling the truth. Look at what this mother. Look at what this deer is saying. मैं अवश्य अपना वचन सत्य करने के लिए तुम्हारे निकट जाऊंगी. तुम तनिक भी संदेह मत करो. सूची कहते हैं, हे मुनिराज, इस प्रकार मृगी द्वारा समझाने पर भी उसे बयान के जब उनका वचन नहीं माना, तब चकित एवं भयभीत होकर उस मृगी ने निम्नलिखित प्रतिज्ञा की. सुनो, अधिक व्यार कहूं. You know what he says? The hunter is saying, no, no, no. And this is what the deer says. The deer says, I promise you I will come back. If I do not come back, then may I face the sin of. This is what she says, A sadhu who sells the Vedas. An individual who doesn't offer prayer. A woman who is not faithful to her husband. An individual who is ungrateful. A person who does not pray to Lord Shivji. A person who ill-treats others. And a person who deceives others. May all these sins be mine. And my friends, it's all here, but it's plenty now to read because in the interest of time. But you know what happened? When he heard this, he trusted her, he believed her. And when he was able to trust her, he had some sort of compassion. Look at it, he was a hunter. By the grace of Shankar Bhagwan, a hunter. Today he's about to have some compassion and spare that animal. This is God. The essence of tonight's katha. The katha goes on long. But by the grace of God, compassion dawns upon us. My friends, when we are able to trust, when we are able to, my friends, he listened. He listened to this deer. And as the deer spoke, he started to believe the deer. He started to trust the deer. And that is where the compassion came. Had he at any point sensed any form of deceit or lie from that deer, he might not have spared that deer. But he trusted that deer. And he allowed the deer to go. And my friends, sometime after, another deer comes. The father comes. And when the father comes again, he was about to kill this father the next day. And when he was about to do that, the bay leaf trickled down, the water dripped again, and on the lingam, because there was a Shiv lingam beneath the tree. And when he was about to shoot the father, this is what the father says. The father says, I promise you that I will come back to you and allow you to kill me. And if I don't, then may all these sins be on my head. He says, listen to me. Let me have the sin of those persons who are during auspicious hours, 6 in the morning, 12 in noon, and 12 and 6 in the evening, who do not use this time to do spiritual undertaking, but they do other things during these times. The sin that one receives right here, during those hours, may those sins be in my head. He says, those who eat on Shivratri Day, may that sin be on my head. This is Father speaking here now. May those who steal the sin of such be mine. May those who fail to utter the name of Shankar with their mouth, may that sin be mine. And those who partake of food that is not prescribed, may such sin be mine. And again, he says, go and go quickly and come back. So the father goes. But now the child ends up coming too, because the child is thirsty too. But when the child comes and the hunter is about to shoot the child again, the water drips, the barley falls, and the child says something now. What does the child say? The child is begging for his life. A little though. And he says, I will go. Let me just get permission from my mother and father, and I'll come back and you can take me. He says, and if I don't come back, may these sins be mine. He's saying, the sins of a liar, of someone who hurts others through pain. He says, may that be mine. He says, O hunter, I promise you that I will come back. And the child goes home. Do you know when the child goes home, mother, father, and all the children, and the sister comes, and they are all saying to the hunter, take us now, because they would have given their word. And you know what the hunter's saying? Today I'm about to destroy a whole family, a family that has so much of love to satisfy my own family. How is that right? He says, I'm already a sinner because I'm a hunter and I've taken so many lives. But today, how can I sit here and take the life of these animals when I see so much of love in their eyes, when I see that trust in their eyes, and when now I have so much of compassion for them? He says, I will not destroy such a home. I prefer to go without and allow my family to be without than to commit this sin. Look at what he thinks. And do you know what happened, my friends? As he spoke such at the end of this katha, my friends, it says wonderfully. It says, at that point in time, my friends, when this hunter, his mindset changed and everything else, he became so devoted and he realized his wrongs and he surrendered to Shankar Bhagwan and he's begging the animals to forgive him because of the thought of wanting to kill them. That lingam that was beneath that tree burst and that divine form of Shankar Bhagwan glowed and began to radiate in front of them. Here all these days they are looking at this beautiful form, and this hunter is looking at this Lord Shankar Bhagwan. Today this hunter who has been so impure and so imperfect, today he is now, my friends, having the embrace of Shankar Bhagwan. And today, because of the actions of this hunter, all these deer that stands there, they immediately, my friends, gain their liberation, for they were able to see the divine Lord Shankar Bhagwan. Look at it. Look at this, my friends. Tonight, sometimes when we believe others are doing us a bad, it is sometimes a good. Sometimes when people think they're doing things to our disadvantage, sometimes it's a blessing for us. Take it in stride and go with the flow. All will end well by the grace of God. Bhagwan will not see injustice be meted out to you, his children. Today Shankar Bhagwan comes in a beautiful form. And as he comes in a beautiful form, that hunter immediately falls at his feet. And as he falls at his feet, my friends, we listen beautifully as we close. Nagadevata Trahima Nagadevata Trahima पाहि हे शंकर, प्लीज त्राही त्राही, प्लीज सेव मी, प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट मी प्रभु, लॉर्ड प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. नाग देवता त्राहि मां पाहि, ओ विष्णु स्वस्या सुलाने वाले. नाग देवता त्राहि मां पाहि, नाग देवता त्राहि पाहि. Falls at the feet of the divine Lord. Shankar Bhagwan immediately embraces him. And then the dares who stood there, look at this now. Because they were fulfilling their promise they made to the hunter, immediately, my friends, they merge into oneness with Shankar Bhagwan and they gain their liberation because of they being truthful. The hunter in return, Shankar Bhagwan blessed him and blessed his family so much so that they changed their lives. They changed the way they live. And he no longer would, my friends, hunt for a living. What would he do? Namo Mahadev Shambho, Namo Sadaशिव, जय परमेश्वर, जय भुवनेश्वर, जय शिव शंकर. बोलो नमो महादेव शंभो, नमो सदाशिव, जय परमेश्वर, जय भुवनेश्वर, जय शिव शंकर.